Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Yeedi M14 Plus. If you're interested in the M14 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first thing we have to do in the Yeedi app, select the correct device. So we have the M14 Plus here, select the enter button. And now from this screen in the top right hand corner, select the settings gear icon. And we're going to scroll down to the very bottom. There's a little trash can delete button, so we can select that. After deletion, you need to re-add the robot to the app. This is going to be how you factory reset it. It's going to remove it from your account. You'll have to re-add and start over again after you delete it. If you hit that delete button, there's no going back. You'll have to re-add and set everything up again. But that's going to be how you factory reset the Yeedi M14 Plus.